Thanks for watching. So I don't even know what to call this thing. I mean, obviously it's a light. Why Honda used a part that looks like it should be on a farm tractor. I don't really know. I mean, I get that there's regulations and laws in manufacturing, and Department of Transportation to great hassle for manufacturers, whatever. So, but I'm gonna go ahead and change this and put this one on. So I got this from Rocky Mountain ATV. I think it was like 15 bucks. From this company. So we'll try this, and it has the little, it seems actually fairly sturdy and heavy for what it is, but the little clear lens here at the bottom for lighting up the tag, you can see it's loose, so I'm going to glue that in position, but I'll make another video or add it to this one after I do the install. Thanks for watching.